What's up, guys? My name's Anthony, and you are watching Crypto Ride, the YouTube channel that helps you guys stay informed and responsibly navigate the cryptocurrency market through crypto news videos, technical analysis, and crypto project review videos. And just an update and just some things you need to know if you're new here. One of the things I always do on this channel is I do regular update videos on the price and the news of Chainlink. So if you're a Chainlink investor and you want to stay informed about possible areas of support and resistance and what the charts are telling us, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Also, if you're new here, you should know we have a pretty healthy project review playlist with a bunch of different project reviews, including Chainlink. We have 11 projects, and I'm going to be adding one later this week. I'm going to be posting something on Crypterium. This is a payment solution cryptocurrency, and I'm pretty excited about it. It's a small market cap. It's been moving hard and fast lately, so keep an eye out for that. But on that note, let's get into the content. Currently, cryptocurrency market capitalization is sitting at $221 billion, and the Bitcoin dominance, which is important if you're watching for alt season, is currently 66.6%, down from a high of 70%. I think it went above 70% in the recent past. But let's talk about where Chainlink is. And if you notice, Chainlink is sitting at number 15 by market capitalization. Currently, the price is $2.38. And for the record, I'm making this video on Monday. It is now 6:56 Eastern Standard Time on Monday night. But the stuff we're going to talk about is going to be valid for the coming week or two, most likely. We're going to talk about not only where the price is right now, but where the price is potentially going. But it's definitely notable that we're at number 15 now. Chainlink was sitting at number 21 overall in its rankings just a few days or a week ago. So for me to check back and see this at 15 was pretty cool. Now, this is a tweet I put out on October 2nd. This was on the heels of the Tomo chain announcement. When this happened, it started to trigger a trend reversal. The title of this video was called Trend Reversal. I said, this is the bullish scenario we were hoping for. We're looking to break out of this downwards descending channel. And I said, in the short term, I was looking to see $2 turn into support, whereas it was acting as resistance before. So I was hoping for a significant break above that, and boy, did we get it. Like the Chainlink charts have been crazy lately if you've been watching, and let's just take a look at what they're doing. So this is the current Chainlink chart, and what you're also looking at is a couple of moving averages. So let's just point out a few things. Right about here is where I put out that video, and these are daily candles, but the price is just gone up since then. Really, it pulled back just a little bit, turned $2 into a support level, and then we started going up. And volume, this is the highest volume we've seen since I would say all the way back in July, believe it or not. So the volume is also backing the move, which is a great thing. Yeah, on October 1st and 2nd, we shot up past the 50-day moving average, which is right here, and then just today we broke through the 100-day moving average, which is pretty significant. We haven't been above the 100-day moving average in quite some time. If you look at this yellow line, you can see the last time we broke above it was back in May 2019, and the price of Chainlink back then was 46 cents. And once we broke above that, we stayed above that for a really long period of time. So this is potentially a good sign. We're looking to see this candle close above this yellow line. If we take a look at the 4-hour time frame, let's see what's been happening. Yep, we're still above everything. A little bit of a red candle here, but nothing too concerning. And now it looks like we're turning back around. And I've always noticed that the markets slow down at nighttime where I live anyway. So this is fine. We'll see if we can continue and pick up some steam again tomorrow. But make no mistake about it, this has been a pretty big move from our recent bottom of September 24th. We picked up steam. We made a 71% move upwards. And again, this is cryptocurrency. This is why I'm attracted to the space and why you probably are too, because these types of gains can happen hard and fast. And this type of stuff, you don't see it all the time in traditional markets like the stock markets, not like this. One other thing I'll say about this project is I've been covering it all summer. I made my review video in July, and I've been making update videos ever since. And ever since I've been covering it, we've been kind of in this downtrend. And then right here was the flip, really back in September, back on September 14th. And of course, today we just started what's looking like a parabolic move, but make no mistake about it, this is a trend reversal, and we are now all of a sudden in a brand new uptrend. There's no guarantee it'll go on and last, but this is really a bullish signal on the charts. And what you're looking at here is the Fibonacci retracement tool. For the record, I took this from the swing high back on August 3rd, and I took it all the way down to the low. I did include the spikes because I just thought it lined up the best this way, and this was at $1.45. So let me talk about this. I think if this falls back down, what you're going to notice is the 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level is right here at $2.25, which also happens to sit directly below, almost in line with the 100-day simple moving average. So I think right here could be a very logical place for this price to pull back and find support short term. If it goes lower than that, then of course we've got the $2.10 and the $2 price point. I don't know that I see this moving right back down to $2, but it could potentially hit that $2 point, which is always going to be a psychological level, which I've talked about on this channel in the past. But I think right now, if you're looking for a pullback, if you're looking to add to your positions, keep an eye out for that $2.24. Again, that's where the 100-day simple moving average is, and also where the 0.618 Fibonacci retracement line is, which is a significant line when you're talking about Fibonacci retracements. All right, the other thing I want to talk about is if you see this spike, we wicked up. We actually came above the 0.786 Fibonacci retracement level, which is at $2.46. We came above there just for a brief moment to $2.48, which looks like it was the daily high, and now we have come back around. We're still near it, but I think this point right here, right around $2.48, that's probably going to be where we see the next resistance point. And then, of course, to see $2.72, that would be obviously the next one after that. But if we can break $2.50, let's say, we should have a little bit of room to run. Let me just show you one potential concern on the charts here. So here's the RSI, the Relative Strength Index. And I do want to point out that we now are overbought. So we're sitting at 73%. Last time we reached that level was back in June 27th. And you can see after we initially hit it, we went a little bit higher. We did overextend all the way to 86.4%, it looks like. So there could be some more room to run. But keep in mind, back when we did this in June, this was on the heels of the Coinbase announcement, right? And that was when we had our all-time high. So this type of parabolic movement is really interesting. I will definitely admit that it caught me a little bit off guard. I didn't expect it to go this high, this fast. But for us, again, this week, we're going to watch that $2.25 price point as a potential level of support. And then we're also going to watch on the upside that $2.50 point. We're going to see if we can get up above and make a move towards $2.75. But make no mistake, if we do that, we are getting overextended, and at some point the RSI is going to have to come down because we will be getting extremely overbought. Once you get to that 80% territory, that doesn't generally last a long time. So, if you're looking to buy Chainlink, don't FOMO in. This might not be the best moment to buy. Just be patient. You might see that $2.25 price point within the next coming days or week. But I'm excited about the project, and if you go to their official channel on Twitter, you have to follow them. Today, they introduced their trusted computation framework, and there's an article I started looking into, but I'll just read you the tweet along with Intel. These are just major companies, Intel, Hyperledger, and I'm not sure what that is. ETH Alliance, I guess that has something to do with Ethereum itself. Yeah. We're excited to present a new trusted computation framework that leverages public blockchains, Chainlink oracles, and trusted computing to drive enterprise blockchain adoption. So there's a lot of stuff happening in the news, but aside from that, it's been an incredibly bullish day. And comment below with your thoughts on Chainlink. But for me, I officially saw my investment go from red to green today, so I'm officially profitable on my investment, and I hope you are too. And I wish you the best. I want to thank you for watching. And remember, if this goes straight up and continues to go parabolic, then we're going to have to deal with something like we just dealt with, because the last 3 months haven't been fun, right? A healthy move would be for this thing to start to mellow out a little bit, even maybe pull back maybe to that $2.25 price point. Subscribe, like the video, share it if you like what I'm doing here, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy the ride.